Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making beef tomato stew with dried bean stick. Let's get to it. To start, soak some beef steak tips overnight. Then dice them into small cubes. Also slice some gingers. With cold water in the wok, add beef, ginger slices, and some cooking wine. While waiting for beef to be slightly cooked, peel skins of tomatoes and dice them also. Then mince half an onion. Remove the white part of scallions for later use and mince the green part. Slice ginger root and prepare some garlics. Please also soak dried bean sticks ahead of time. With heated oil in the wok, add onion, ginger, and stir until fragrant. Then add tomato and stir until softened. Add beef and stir. Then add salt and oyster sauce and enough water to submerge all ingredients. Add garlics and scallion whites. Then turn to strong heat and wait for a boil. Move everything to Instant Pot container. Set to meat/stew mode and cook for 25 minutes. Then add soaked bean sticks and cooked macaroni to Instant Pot and set to steam mode and cook for 5 minutes. Last step, add cilantro on top of the dish. Then beef tomato stew with dried bean stick is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you until next time.